Then we moved into Wednesday. Wednesday was actually one of the most exciting days we've had as an inaugural boardroom group. So we had our high performers in there, big revenue, big profit. And we started the morning talking about the skeleton or the structure of your business. We're not talking about sole trader or company. We're talking about the fundamental structure, going from the top being about the organization, your locations, your departments, into roles, responsibilities, processes and procedures, okay? And we talked about how that is the fundamental way, not to build a role or a job or a department around Johnny, it's around the operations manager. We really got into that clarity of how to systematize the business. Then we moved into a fantastic session of a dashboard we've recently created, and it's amazing intel. It tells you average ticket sale, profitability, everything you can possibly imagine. We're on multiple tabs. Monica from our team and I have been working on that for some time, and we've incorporated Google Data Studio. So not only does it give it great information, it looks fantastic for people that are not so number focused. They can understand the data.